G'day everyone, welcome to another episode of Empress Sailing. We are her crew, Rochelle, Katran, Fleur and Anouk. Join us as we continue our journey to get to know and fall in love with our new Contest 36 named Empress. Be part of our adventure. We hope you enjoy our videos. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, comment, and don't forget to leave a like.
Hello everyone,
G'day.
Welcome to this episode. This episode we will make 3 hops through Orca Land. Some orcas have been spotted off Bay of Biscay and we'll be going past it. At the moment we're in Rochelle.
Yes, and we're still undecided if we're going to put our boat on a truck over land straight into the Med, or do we want to cross the Bay of Biscay and sail down the Portuguese coast and then into the Med.
Yes, we will spend the winter in Portugal rather than spending the winter in Cartagena in Spain, where we were planning on staying the winter. So, decision time! So we're going to leave Port Haliguen in Lorient today, and we're on our way to Port Haliguen on the Quiberon Peninsula. So yeah, it's going to be a motoring day today, not much wind, no wind with us. So yes, let's go! Bye bye Port Haliguen! And the day spot is following us again. We're going to do some more bodyboating today. Very nice.
Main up.
So today we're officially sailing in Orca territory. It's been a hotspot of Les Sables west southwest of it. We won't really go through that area. We'll stick along the coast on the just about 20-meter line, 25-meter line. 15 meters, yeah, perfect. But Shell's got a weapon against the orcas. And what is it, Shell?
I collected them for a nice little arts and crafts activity. And I think if I see an orca, that's going to be the first thing I grab. No, Mr. Orca!
A pine cone. The south side of the Quiberon Peninsula, so we're just slowly rounding it. Not rounding it yet. You see, the rocks over there will be rounding, and the Quiberon port's pretty busy at the moment. There's lots of ships coming in and out, so we're gonna have to dodge those as we go past it. We'll be going through this narrow passage around the point on the peninsula, and it's fun. It's lots of nice rocky bits and stuff. Yeah, happy we took the cut. And we're going with swell now. There's hardly any swell left, so it's and we're going with the current, so we're doing 6.6 knots. And Anouk's made a stick full of pretzels. It's the Tain House lighthouse. So we're going in between the peninsula and the lighthouse, and that's the peninsula. We're rounding the point, so up to the marina. We've got the sails back down, and we're approaching Port Haliguen, something like that. So almost there. It's Wednesday today, the 19th of July. We're off to the market in Port Haliguen. So yeah, off we go. So it's the market. all the way up there, along the ferry port. That's where the marina office is.
Alors 16 s'il vous plaît. Je peux?
Yeah.
Voilà.
Merci.
Merci. Et voilà.
Hey, merci.
Merci, bonne journée.
On my head.
Well done.
One more time. Wow! Morning, everyone. What an exciting morning it is.
Just dropped the fender.
Just dropped
My
the
fault.
Did a little mini man overboard maneuver.
First one since this trip, actually. Thinking about it, should do that a bit more often.
I've actually done pretty good at not dropping any fenders. And then you go, oh, I'll quickly help. Whoops.
Yeah, so we're leaving Port Haliguen on our way to Lorient. Yeah, there. So, yeah, bye bye. And the doggies are following us again. Hi, Michael and Annika. So we're slowly approaching the Herbotier. The Herbotier. Yeah, another half an hour we'll be there. Whoops! Uh-oh. Oil in the bilge. I may or may not have forgotten to put the dipstick in. Whoops. It still reads half full, so I will fill it up a little bit further. But we've had a bit of a leakage today. So time for cleanup. Sorry. So I mopped up all the mess and put some new oil in, half liter. And it looks good now, so we'll leave it like that. I'll check it again tomorrow morning before we leave.
So we've managed to get away from Le Herbotier, and yeah, looks quite ominous back there. And yeah, that's what I mean. And here's a nice little sunrise. And we just had to help our buddy boats with they lost a fender this morning. So a quick man overboard maneuver inside the harbour, and they were happy. We could seem to turn around a little bit easier than them, so we're really happy with them. And they're just behind us now, so yeah. Time for some brekkie and get underway. Now!
again! Les Sables D Olonne. It's gonna go around this point, and then we're there. Another hour to go. Now we've rounded the point. Now we're on our run towards Les Sables D Olonne. Let's go to the marina.
What are you guys doing?
We're gonna go big Genoa today. Because we're gonna go, I say it? Sailing all the way to La Rochelle.
We're gonna use the big
So
stick.
we keep motoring
Oh
because we don't have enough wind for the sails, so we're gonna adjust the sails to the wind today.
Oh my god! Wow!
Done. That was everything.
Needs to be a little bit tighter.
Yeah, maybe just a little. Yep, that's good.
Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well done, guys.
Wow!
That's good crew effort.
High five.
I need to roll her up. Wow. Oh, bit more.
Yay! Wow.
Cool. Well done.
That's slow, actually.
Yes?
I was expecting
All rolled
that
up.
to take 2 minutes.
Good morning. We're leaving Les Sables D Olonne again, on our way to La Rochelle. And we're gonna race for the doggies. Today is sails only day, so we've got a big jib on, and we're gonna see if we can get to La Rochelle.
Papa, we had a plan for your birthday.
So we're on the way, doing about 4.5 knots with the Genoa out. It's about 10 knots of wind. And yeah, we're on the way to La Rochelle. So let's go. So we're back to sailing again with a bit of motor sailing, and now we're sailing again, just shooting past Ile de Ré towards the bridge.
Yay! Woo! It's a big bridge.
So we're coming into La Rochelle. There's a little nice little lighthouse there, and yeah, well done. Got the sails down, all done and dusted. La Rochelle, here we come. So we're waiting for the little boat to come and bring us to our spot. It's an absolute massive marina. It's crazy. And T-Spot is gonna come with us and have the same jetty.